In today's video, we're going to be looking at all the stuff I've got for the T4, what I've been up to this weekend on the T4. Yeah, I've been doing some bits, and the pile of stuff I've got for this T4 for all the videos coming up is insane, right? Plus some stuff that I've been sent by sponsors. I've been sent something worth about £800, one item for the T4, right? For the interior, for the dash. It's mad. It's absolutely mad what I've been sent for this T4. Right, two sponsors have sent me things for this T4. One of them have gone to town. I've got to do a video on fitting this thing, and it's mad. Right, I've got the only one. Well, I think I have in their advertising. It's the first ever. We'll get into that anyway. First things first. What have I been up to this weekend on the T4? Let's get into it. I have just welded up, just done all the welding in this blistering heat on both sides of the T4 front steps. Are now both welded up. Didn't video it because there's nothing more boring than a welding video, is there? But I'll quickly show you the after results. So in here, I had to weld a plate on here. Oh, hang on, let me get a better angle. So in here, on the front of the step, I've welded a plate here and folded it under, welded all down this side around the bottom. Also had to weld a plate into here. Pretty much basically the same on the other side, except there was another plate further up as well. As you can see there, it's all welded up, all done. I'm surrounded by just a big pile of mess and underseal and a welding. Look at this, right? Underseal is normally really thick. This is so hot out, it's like water. That's how hot it is outside. Underseal is normally like slap it on thick. But yeah, undersealed all inside here. And yeah, and the inside of the step there. So that's both sides done. You saw that I put these on. I've cut down the front bolts on the wheel bolts so the wheels can go on without them silly spaces now and sit perfectly. I've also got to do a drive shaft on this, but I ain't doing it today. It took me a while. It took me a mate of mine up the road, really nice bloke, had to come down with his Milwaukee nut gun to get the nut undone because I broke all my ratchets trying to get it off with a bar. That wasn't very good. So yes, just a quick update video of what I'm doing today. Nothing special, but I do have a massive pile of parts. Yeah, I have a massive pile of parts. I'll show you what I've got now actually, for this, and a whole jobs list of stuff to do on this van. But this weekend, it's so hot, I'm not going to make a proper video for you guys this weekend. I just thought I'd update you on what I'm doing. Welding video, let's face it, none of you want to watch me welding, do you? So, and to be fair, I ain't a welder, so yeah, this is, I don't want any of the comments saying, oh, you're welding shit. I know it's shit, but it does the job. Anyway, yeah.
1 hour later.
Right, as you can probably tell by my arms and my back, I've been out in the sun doing that welding on the T4 that I just showed you, and I've got properly burnt, right? And it's from work as well. Anyway, what is in the first box? First box for the T4. You already know what's in the back of the T4. I've got the rear window panels, I've got the early bumpers, all that stuff to go on it. I've got all that stuff to do. In this box from V-Dub Monkeys, we have got, let's check it out. We've got some "5" Faulkner lowering springs. These things are tiny compared to the ones that are in the van are like that high and that thick compared to these. We've got some Faulkner lowering springs, 5". We're going down. We're going down. There's another one. We've got some short drop links. Getting these out so you can have a look at it. We've got short drop links to go on the van. We have got, I got these because I'm on a budget. I couldn't afford the expensive ones, but to be fair, I had these on my last T4 and they were bloody brilliant. I've got short shocks from G-Max. G-Max short shocks. Super Sport, it says on them. But yeah, this is what I had on my van before. Extra short shocks. Brilliant bit of kit. That's what I've got for the van. That's just one thing. Let's put all this back in here so I don't lose it all. I have also got myself a set of Shane's shock relocation plates for the front. I had to pre-order them, so I'll be waiting for them to come near the end of the month. God, it's hot in here. It's one of the hottest days of the year so far. It's pouring off me. I don't keep all my stuff in all this stuff in the workshop. All the good stuff stays in my house. If anyone's wondering, oh, I know where he is. Right, this box. Actually, let's show you. I have been sent this by a sponsor. They contacted me on YouTube and said, would you do a video on one of our products? If you do, we'll send you one for free, obviously, to do the video, and you get to keep it. I've been sent, this is mad, this has got AI in it, right? That's just other bits and bobs. I have been sent by a sponsor for free. It's going in the T4, if I can get it out. I have been sent the world's first AI floating screen singled in stereo. This thing, you can pull it out, you can adjust the angle, you can pull these off, and you can slide it up and down. You can have the screen wherever you want it to be, tilted that way, that way, that way. It's Android, right? It's fully Android. I'll put some bits in the video now. That is the type of thing this thing does. It's all Android, touchscreen, same as your phone. You put a SIM in it so you can have Wi-Fi. You basically you get 5G driving around, and this is linked to the internet, right? I can talk to it like my own assistant, and I can say anything, the same things you can say to ChatGPT and all that. This has got in it, and it's in the dash, and I can just chat to it. How freaking cool is that? I got sent this by a sponsor. So I will be doing a video on that, and I want to say thank you to Atoto for sending me that. That's mad. That's absolutely mad. That's good. Perfect. Absolutely mad, that is. Right, okay, this box, what have we got? We have got a crap load of gearbox oil. I'm going to be doing a gearbox oil change on the T4, just because I don't know when it was last done. It's just something I like to do. Right. Okay, another thing we've been sent by another sponsor of the channel. Someone sent me this. They want me to do a review on it. It's all happening, people. It's all happening. These are LED headlight bulbs, but not the ones you're thinking, not the ones with a fan in the fact that are illegal and that. These are designed to go into non-projector headlights to make your bulbs brighter, but without blinding people. So let's have a look at these. They come, look at this. Oh, you've got to have white gloves to look at these. Apparently these are really high tech. They got thermal dang things. Let's put this glove on. Let's have a look. So look at that. Look at that. It's like a high tech thing. Normal thing. Weird. Look at that. Apparently they're designs that you can use them, and I'll do a review on them. The fact that they come with all this stuff. Yeah, so that is another sponsor that sent me that. So we should do a review on that as well. That is coming up too. So, let's take my white glove off. That is what I've been up to this weekend, people. Not much going on video-wise, apart from me showing you some bits, but this is just to show you there's a lot of stuff coming up. There is a hell of a lot of stuff coming up on the channel. This weekend, like I just said, it was just trying to get the welding done. Didn't want to video it. It was a bit boring. Plus, it was just pouring off of me. The sweat was just pouring off of me in this heat. Which is, it's never good on camera, is it? So, welding is done. Catherine has hopefully taken the T4 to get its MOT because it's run out on Monday. We're going to go get the MOT on Monday. Then next weekend, we'll be going away for the weekend. I'll do a video on that. It's a really nice place. It's like we're going to an island. I don't know if I'm taking the truck or the T4, but we're towing the caravan. We're off to an island. We've actually got to wait for the tide to go down before we can get onto this place to go camping. But T4 wise and channel wise, loads of parts, stereo, 2 sponsor things I've got to do there. I've got all the suspension to do on the van. I've got to slam the van, rear windows to do, all that stuff. It's all coming up in the next lot of videos. So please stay tuned, look out for my stuff, and you'll see it when it comes up. For now, just a quick update video, people, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bollocks. See you in the next one.